Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Jay Hernandez and welcome to my first vlog. So we're super excited today because we recently picked up a new iMac 27-inch and we're heading now to FedEx to pick it up because we couldn't wait for the FedEx guy to deliver it to our home. So we want to pick it up at the store so we can get our hands on really quick and, put it all together. One fun thing that we're gonna do today is that I bought the iMac with just 8 gigabytes of RAM just because I'm gonna be upgrading it myself, and by doing that I'm saving almost $700. So we picked up a 64 gigabyte RAM from Amazon for about $280, while if you do the upgrade via the Apple, they're charging you for like $1,000 more. So hey, we're saving $700. Let's put that money somewhere else. You know what I mean? I definitely need a new office chair, so maybe I'm gonna get a new office chair as well. So right now we're heading over to FedEx to pick up the new iMac. We're very excited and I can't wait to put it all together. So hey guys, right now we're doing a quick stop. We're heading over to our storage, just so I have a lot of junk at the house, so we just want to put some things away. I am kind of like a box hoarder. I still have, I like to keep all the boxes of everything that I purchased. We have other Canon mounts and things like that. And we just picked up the EOS R, so that's going to our storage just so we can keep the box. See you guys soon. So we just finished putting our stuff away. We're definitely heading to FedEx to pick up our new computer. So just to give you a little bit background story, I currently live in the city of Boston. I have my own video production company called Jay Hernandez Film, where I specialize in cinematic wedding films. I've been doing this for about 3 years. I've been my own boss for 3 years, and it's so cool. Okay guys, we just picked up the new iMac and we're just heading home to set it up, and very excited. So we're back home guys. Remember that I mentioned earlier that we were going to upgrade the computer's memory RAM, so let's just do that right now guys. Hey guys, so the computer is installed, so let's see if we did this right. Okay, let's focus. So we were trying to go from 8 gigabyte of RAM to 64. So I guess we did this right. Well guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, hit like, and comment down below.